2026 Toyota Motorhome RV, a modern take on comfort, durability, and intelligent design built for the adventurous spirit. Toyota is a name long associated with dependability and innovation, and their newest motorhome brings that same philosophy to life on four wheels. Designed for both weekend explorers and long-distance travelers, the 2026 model blends rugged performance with efficient living, making it one of the most well-rounded entries in the motorhome segment. The exterior design of the 2026 Toyota Motorhome RV is both bold and aerodynamic. It features a high-strength composite body mounted on an extended Toyota Tundra platform, offering exceptional road stability and off-road capability. With a dynamic front grille, adaptive LED headlights, and a streamlined silhouette, the RV combines aesthetic appeal with practical airflow optimization. Roof-mounted solar panels provide auxiliary power, while the built-in roof rack adds extra utility for gear or adventure equipment. A powered side awning, automatic entry steps, and weatherproof storage compartments all contribute to its user-focused engineering. Under the hood, Toyota offers a hybrid powertrain that balances performance and efficiency. The 3.5-liter V6 hybrid engine, paired with dual electric motors, delivers a combined output of 400 horsepower and over 500 pound-feet of torque. This setup is linked to an advanced 10-speed automatic transmission and full-time all-wheel drive, ensuring strong traction in all weather conditions. Whether you're cruising highways or tackling off-grid terrain, the Toyota Motorhome RV handles with confidence and quiet refinement. It has a towing capacity of over 8,000 pounds and includes drive mode select for eco-sport and off-road settings to optimize performance as needed. Inside, the cabin is a masterclass in thoughtful design and functional luxury. The open layout makes use of every inch, featuring a modular seating area with a convertible sofa bed, retractable dining table, and swiveling captain's chairs. The materials used throughout include vegan leather upholstery, soft touch panels, and bamboo finished surfaces for a warm and modern aesthetic. The kitchen area is compact yet highly functional, with an energy-efficient dual induction stove, convection oven, 12 volts refrigerator, and deep stainless steel sink. A filtered water dispenser and slide-out pantry offer additional convenience for long stays. The sleeping quarters include a queen-size loft bed with integrated reading lights and privacy curtains. Underbed storage, soft close cabinets, and a fold-away wardrobe ensure that everything has its place. The bathroom features a fiberglass shower stall with rainfall showerhead, composting toilet, and a mirrored vanity with integrated lighting. Ventilation fans and climate-controlled zones maintain a comfortable environment throughout, and all systems can be monitored and adjusted via the Smart Drive touchscreen panel or the companion app. Technological innovation is central to the 2026 Toyota Motorhome RV experience. The Smart Drive system connects to a full array of interior and vehicle functions, including temperature, lighting, security, and diagnostics. A 15-inch infotainment system supports voice control, wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and real vehicle health updates. The vehicle also includes a suite of Toyota Safety Sense features like adaptive cruise control, pre-collision alert, lane tracing assist, blind spot monitoring, and trailer sway control. With built-in satellite navigation, over-the-air updates, and onboard 5G Wi-Fi, staying connected and safe on the road has never been easier. Toyota has announced that the 2026 Motorhome RV will be available globally, with priority launch markets, including the United States, Canada, Japan, and parts of Europe. The first units are expected to arrive in dealerships by the fall of 2026. With pre-orders opening in spring, pricing is projected to start at around $140,000 for the standard variant, with a fully equipped premium edition available closer to $180,000. Toyota is offering optional upgrade packages including a solar off-grid kit, luxury trim enhancements, and advanced drive assistance expansions. Built and backed by Toyota's global service network, the RV comes with a comprehensive warranty for both the drivetrain and the living space systems. The 2026 Toyota Motorhome RV is a well-engineered answer to the growing demand for adventure-ready, tech-savvy, and sustainable travel solutions. It provides an ideal mix of comfort, power, and versatility while maintaining Toyota's core values of quality and reliability. For solo nomads, couples, or small families, it promises the freedom to roam without compromising the comforts of home. The all-new 2026 Honda Motorhome RV, a vehicle that brings together Honda's legendary reliability, smart design, and forward-thinking technology in one sleek mobile living platform. Honda has made a strong entry into the motorhome market with this model, aiming to provide an efficient, stylish, and feature-rich RV for modern travelers. It's not just a camper on wheels, but a carefully crafted home designed for the open road, offering practicality with a touch of premium comfort. The 2026 Honda Motorhome RV is built on a re-engineered lightweight monocoque chassis derived from Honda's commercial van platform, ensuring a sturdy yet agile foundation. The exterior is styled with clean aerodynamic lines and a slightly futuristic shape that minimizes drag and enhances fuel efficiency. Honda has integrated LED lighting all around with a slim front grille and signature DRL patterns, giving the vehicle a bold yet sophisticated presence. With powered sliding doors, an extendable awning, and roof-mounted solar panels, the RV is clearly designed with both function and style in mind. Under the hood, Honda equips this motorhome with a 2.0-liter turbocharged hybrid engine paired with dual electric motors, delivering a combined output of 320 horsepower. This hybrid system is linked to Honda's latest ECVT transmission, providing smooth acceleration and excellent torque at low speeds. The all-wheel drive system ensures stability across various terrains, making it ideal for both highways and light off-road adventures. With an impressive fuel efficiency of around 25 miles per gallon, the 2026 Honda Motorhome RV easily stands out in a segment typically dominated by fuel-hungry models. The regenerative braking system also helps extend battery life and reduce wear on the traditional braking components. Step inside and you'll be welcomed into a cabin that feels more like a high-tech urban loft than an RV. The layout has been intelligently designed to maximize space without sacrificing comfort. The main living area features a multi-purpose lounge with a fold-out couch, a smart TV with integrated streaming services, and a convertible dining table. The walls are insulated, with eco-friendly materials for improved climate control and soundproofing, while ambient LED lighting adds to the cozy atmosphere. A sliding partition reveals a compact but functional kitchen equipped with a dual-burner induction stove, microwave oven, refrigerator, and water purifier. Every appliance is energy efficient and linked to the central control system, which can be managed via a wall-mounted tablet or Honda's dedicated app. The bedroom space includes a queen-size bed with memory foam mattress, underbed storage, and USB-C ports on both sides for device charging. Above the bed, a panoramic skylight with auto-dimming glass allows for stargazing or daytime brightness without the heat. The bathroom is equipped with a smart toilet, enclosed standing shower with temperature presets, and a mini washer-dryer combo tucked neatly in a hidden cabinet. Honda's engineers have clearly focused on making this RV a truly livable space for both short getaways and long-haul adventures. Technology-wise, the 2026 Honda Motorhome RV comes loaded with the Honda SmartLink system, allowing voice control for lighting, HVAC security, and entertainment. A 360-degree camera system, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and parking sensors make maneuvering this RV easy even for first-time drivers. The onboard Wi-Fi and integrated satellite system ensure constant connectivity, while the solar and battery backup provides off-grid capabilities for up to 3 days without external power. When it comes to availability, Honda is targeting a broad market across North America, Japan, and selected parts of Europe. Pre-orders begin in early 2026 with a launch expected mid-year. Prices are estimated to start around $120,000 depending on trim levels and customization. Honda is offering 2 variants, a standard edition for everyday campers and a premium touring edition that includes additional tech and luxury touches. Both will be supported by Honda's widespread dealer network, ensuring easy access to maintenance and parts. With the 2026 Honda Motorhome RV, Honda has successfully delivered a well-balanced vehicle that brings practical innovation, eco-engineering, and modern design to a competitive market. It's built for families, solo travelers, and adventure seekers who want mobility without compromising on comfort or technology. This model proves that you don't need to spend millions to experience a refined RV lifestyle. Today we present a truly extraordinary machine that blends performance, elegance, and lifestyle in one breathtaking package. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome RV is a stunning combination of British craftsmanship and futuristic design, making it one of the most exclusive and luxurious motorhomes ever produced. Known for their high-performance sports cars and sleek design language, Aston Martin has now taken their expertise and applied it to the world of high-end motorhome travel, delivering a vehicle that feels more like a mobile penthouse than a recreational vehicle. Starting with the design, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome RV immediately grabs attention with its aerodynamic body sculpted from carbon fiber reinforced aluminum. The exterior sports a bold yet flowing silhouette that incorporates the brand's signature grille, slender LED laser headlights, and satin-finished trim elements. The motorhome sits on adaptive 22-inch wheels with a hidden air suspension system that automatically adjusts to terrain, giving it both an elegant stance and a smooth ride. Integrated solar panels line the roof, powering many of the onboard systems, while the power-operated side extensions increase interior living space with the push of a button. Underneath the sophisticated skin lies a powertrain that delivers thrilling yet refined performance. The Aston Martin Motorhome is powered by a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 hybrid engine that produces an impressive 650 horsepower, mated to an 8-speed ZF automatic transmission and an intelligent all-wheel drive system. It provides exceptional power delivery and control across any surface. Despite its large footprint, the motorhome accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just under 6 seconds. The vehicle is further enhanced by Aston Martin's performance-tuned chassis and advanced torque vectoring system, making it surprisingly agile for its size. Inside, the 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome RV feels like stepping into a luxury suite. Every inch of the cabin is wrapped in handcrafted materials, including fine Napa leather, polished walnut, suede and brushed titanium. The living space includes a wraparound seating area finished in contrast-stitched leather, a 75-inch OLED display, and an integrated Dolby Atmos sound system. Ambient lighting with customizable modes sets the mood for day or night, and panoramic glass panels let natural light flood in during the day while offering starlit views by night. The lounge seamlessly transforms into a guest sleeping area, and the center coffee table hides a built-in wine fridge and humidor. The kitchen is both elegant and efficient, featuring induction cooktops, a compact dishwasher, smart refrigerator, and designer fixtures. The countertops are made of Italian marble, and the cabinetry features soft close mechanisms with fingerprint-resistant finishes. Across from the kitchen, the dining area offers room for 4 with electronically adjustable chairs and a retractable table. Moving to the rear, the master bedroom includes a king-size bed with a floating frame design, memory foam mattress, and built-in massage functions. Dual skylights above the bed come with automatic dimming and UV protection, allowing for optimal sleep conditions. The SPO-style bathroom is fitted with a rainfall shower, heated marble floors, and a smart toilet with self-cleaning features. The entire motorhome can be controlled using the Aston Sync interface, which integrates climate, lighting, shades, entertainment, and security into a single touchscreen or mobile app. Voice control and gesture recognition are standard, making the onboard experience smooth and intuitive. The motorhome also includes a built-in satellite internet system, high-speed Wi-Fi, and a digital concierge that can help schedule routes, book camping spots, and even order supplies. As for market availability, the 2026 Aston Martin RV will be an ultra-limited release with only 88 units planned for global distribution. Markets include the United Kingdom, the United States, the UAE, and select European countries. Production will begin in late 2026, with bespoke ordering starting earlier in the year through Aston Martin's Q division. Prices will begin around $3.2 million, and each unit will be handcrafted and tailored to the buyer's preferences. With endless customization options, each motorhome will be a unique statement of luxury and individuality. Buyers will receive exclusive membership to Aston Martin's Lifestyle Circle, offering elite travel perks, concierge support, and invitation-only events around the world. The 2026 Aston Martin Motorhome RV redefines what it means to travel in style. It's not just a vehicle, it's a destination in itself. Designed for those who expect the very best, it delivers a bold mix of performance, beauty, and living comfort that no other brand can match. Whether parked in the Alps or gliding along the Pacific coast, this motorhome offers a first-class experience on wheels. If you want to discover more incredible machines and future luxury vehicles like this, make sure to subscribe and stay tuned.